Today we talk about how can you enable chat messages notifications on your Temu app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just go down here, you click here on your down here. When you click here on your, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go above settings here, click on it. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just come here to chat messages here, click here on edit. So then here can you enable it for app, just click in this sign. Then here you enable it for email. Then like you see here, chat messages notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.